Good morning, everyone. Today, Dhairya Agarwal, I'm here from grade 9th A to present my AI idea. So, my idea is OGS, which is Ocean Garbage Sucker. What is OGS? So, OGS is an AI powered machine, or we can say a robot, which will go underwater to clean the ocean floors, and it will also treat the aquatic creatures. Why do we need to build it? Every living organism has a right to live, whether it's a human or a plant or an animal. But we humans, we live very peacefully, but we have made it very difficult for our aquatic life to live because we are polluting the water by dumping the garbage and polluting in the other ways. By polluting the water, we are making the lives of aquatic creatures very hard, which is not right. That is why I decided to make this model. And there is another. How did I get this idea? I have an interest in marine biology, and I have been studying with from AI from few years, and I've learned the AI capabilities and what all it can do, and I want to even extend it. So before we didn't have any opportunity, so my this idea was just a dream, but then data and AI talks came and it gave us all children an opportunity to present our ideas and make our present our thoughts, which was very helpful for me because I means like whenever I was sleeping or means in my dream, like what if there was a machine which could help the aquatic life creatures. So this is very nice of data and AI talks and igebra.ai that they are helping us present our ideas. So what will OGS do? So OGS will basically has many different features. So like it has for different thing materials, it has different feature. For example, if there is any metallic substance or metallic garbage, it will have magnets. So after it releases the magnet, it will attract the metallic garbage so that it will be easy and it will also be time conserving. Both of the things are done at the same time. Whereas if there is a liquid waste, for example, petrol, which is the most common form because of the leakage of oil from the ships or automobiles. For that, the OGS has sucker pipes through which it will suck all the petrol and for picking up other substances which are not metallic or they are hard to bring up. For example, if they are just sedimented in the soil or they are not coming out of the structure, for that it has mechanical stretchy arms and they also have drilling fingers. So with that, it will drill under the ocean bed and it will take that out. This machine OGS will also help us find many artifacts and maybe it helps us find new species and helps in making a new world record. How will I feed it the data? So data is the main part for an AI machine. So for feeding it the data, as it's a machine and it will be underwater, it must have footage system and see cameras. So for that, it will have sensors and cameras both outside and inside. With the help of which it can perceive the underwater footage and can see where there is garbage and where there is not. So how will we build it? So first we'll collect the data about marine biology and we'll also collect data about how to cure animals, because might be that there are some turtles or many animals who are stuck in plastic or some substances like that. So to help them, OGS is there. OGS will also treat them, and if it sees or detects that an creature has eaten plastic, so it will immediately take it inside its system and start curing it. And it is eco-friendly and because it is solar powered and it has and it is not using any fuel which can create pollution. So it is good for both life below water and life above water. And let's brainstorm whatever we have learned. So it is solar powered, it is AI automated, it has cameras, sensor, etc. It has stretchy arms, circle pipes, and drilling machine systems which will help collect the garbage. Thank you.